Again, the rocker tool switches. Got multiple different ones, different colors, different sizes, universal versions. What we're talking today about is the rocker tool switches that I've come up with. The different colors are the different switches. We got Kenworth, Mac. This is Peterbilt smart switches. Peterbilt, Bluebird. These are universal Bluebird. AZ is the most common actually switches out there. Amazon sells a lot of the universal ones. HR is a hour meter one. F is for Ford. IC is international, and then the C2 is the Freightliner C2s, school buses, and a few others. Check out my website, and now we'll go into a few of the switches. The switch tool we're talking about today is the green F for Ford, also Sterling, some models. And this switch tool is actually the same as that orange Bluebird one, except for if you look closely, there are some notches out of it if you compare the two. And the reason being is Ford, on their dashes, puts these little supports. So when you put it on there, you need to get past those supports to drop the switch out. Just that easy. Again, check out all the tools I make to remove rocker switches.